In this video, we will cover the solution to the lab hacking into Suites Complete. First of all, executing a reflected cross-site scripting attack. We go to localhost Suites Complete. We then click on Products. We select a product and we purchase it. We click on Buy this item. We now have something in the shopping cart. We can now move to the Notes field and inject a JavaScript alert dialog box. We click on Update. We click the Update button, and you'll notice that we now have JavaScript running, which means that we've successfully launched the attack. In the next part of the lab, we will exploit an information disclosure vulnerability. We again go to the Suites Complete website. Let's go to the home page. Let's enter in a URL with a page parameter which does not exist. You will see that there's an information disclosure vulnerability in this website in that errors are not properly handled. We now have information about the location of the files and the nature of the code on this website. All of this information can be extremely useful to an attacker to build a successful attack against this website. Next, we will execute a code injection attack, exploiting a file upload vulnerability. Again, we go to the Suites Complete website. We go back to the home page. We select Contact Us. We then click on Browse and locate the Working Files folder. In this example, on this computer, the Working Files folder from the DVD has been copied to the desktop. We go to the Working Files area for this chapter and select info.php. We click the Submit button, and there's an indication that the file has been successfully uploaded. Notice it even tells us where the file is now located. We can now take advantage of this by modifying the page parameter in the URL to include this information. We submit the entry, and you'll notice in addition to information disclosure vulnerabilities, we are now executing the code which was uploaded. In this case, the code runs PHP info, which gives us a mountain of information on this server. An attacker could then take this information and formulate a series of attacks. Finally, we will execute an SQL injection attack. Again, we go back to the Suites Complete website. We move back to Home. We select Our Members. In the search box, where it says Keywords, we will then insert the SQL fragment indicated. Again, we are closing out the statement, entering a union select, 5 fields, followed by a semicolon and dash dash, which means ignore the remaining SQL. We click on Search Members, and you can see that in addition to normal information, we are now seeing passwords, account balances, phone numbers, and potentially other very sensitive information. This concludes the solution to the lab hacking into Suites Complete.